Good morning. Artificial intelligence. You might be hear this word by many times because the artificial intelligence is the widely growing up technology in the world. The developed countries like America, China, Japan, these countries are 10 to 15 years faster than India because the reason behind this developed cities is the technology. Blue brain technology is the which is the part of this artificial intelligence. So myself Siddesh Pawar, roll number H55 CSE department. We are here to represent the presentation on the blue brain technology. Human brain, the most valuable creation of the God. Because the thinking power is only give us to the human. The man called intelligent because of the brain, but we lost the knowledge of the brain when the body is destroyed after the death. But many scientists are come together and thinking on that, and they are trying to save their knowledge with the help of virtual brain. What is the virtual brain? A machine that can function as a human brain. It can take decision, it can think, it can respond, it can keep thinking in memory. This is the virtual brain. So after that, Yash is carry forward this presentation.
Hello everyone, myself Sanjay Chogle, age 11, and I am discussing about the need of the virtual brain to keep intelligence, knowledge, and the skill of the person forever. And the second one, to remember things without any effort. What is Blue Brain? The IBM now developing a virtual brain known as Blue Brain. It would be the world's first virtual brain. Within 30 years, we will able to scan ourselves with into the computers. Thank you.
Myself, Harshodhan Zongle, roll number H12, and I will be briefing about the objectives of Blueprint project and its advantages. As we all know about the Parkinson's disease, which is a disorder dealing with central nervous system, and scientists think that it could be cured with the help of Blueprint. Brain circuitry is complex, and if scientists can crack the secret of the brain, the knowledge would lead to new breed of supercomputers. Now the advantages. It acts as supercomputer. Improvements in processing speed and memory could make entire human brain simulated. Things could be easily remembered. Intelligence of the person can be used even after his death. Makes decision on its own.
Hi everyone, Satyadeep Bhatpur, age 26. I'm here to discuss about the topic on blue brain technology. So here are some advantages and disadvantages of blue brain technology. Uh, First advantage is it acts as a supercomputer. Improvements in processing speed and memory could make entire human brain simulated. Things could be remembered without any effort using the intelligence of the person after death. It can make decisions entirely of its own. So these are the advantages of blue brain technology. So going towards the disadvantages of blue brain, first we become dependent upon the computer. Second one is another fear is found with respect to human cloning. So the last disadvantage is a very costly procedure of regaining the.
So good afternoon friends, myself Prathamesh More. I am going to explain the further two slides of an blue brain technology. According to the scientists, they have done experiment on the blue brain. First of all, the scientists prepared the computer model to understand the toughest concept in science, and then this computer model is to be taken onto the human brain. So generally the genetic template is to build, which allows to reconstruct the brain according to any specification. According to the blue brain technology, they have considered about the brain simulation. So actually there are the two types, natural brain and blue brain. So the input of natural brain is through natural neurons, and the input of blue brain is through silicon chips or artificial neurons. Then the output of natural brain is through natural neurons, and the output of blue brain is through silicon chips. So according to that brain simulation, the processing of natural brain is through arithmetic and logical calculations, and processing of blue brains are through arithmetic and logical calculation. The memory of a natural brain is through permanent states of neurons, or memory of a blue brain is through secondary neurons.
I am Akash Pujari from H Division. My roll number is S56. Blue brain simultaneous using microprocessor. The blue brain simultaneously uses one microprocessor for each of the 10,000 neurons in the cortical column of Rett's cerebral cortex. It helps to build a brain microcircuit in order to scale in the human brain. In human brain, there are total 86 billion neurons are present, and in blue brain or artificial brain, the one microprocessor uses 10,000 neurons. Hence, there are many microprocessors used in blue brain. The conclusion: the main concept of blue brain was to create an artificial brain and solve the problems and issues by the blue brain. According to scientists, we know scientist Albert Einstein. He uses his 13% brain out of 100%. Then we can imagine what will we can't imagine we can imagine what will happen when we use our 100% brain. The conclusion is we will able to ourselves into the computer at some point. At some point we can store our brain or memories into the computer, so that we can use that memories or skills for the later or many times in future. Eventually aim of applying terrific computer power to the simultaneous of an entire brain. Very soon this technology will be highly accepted whole the world. According to IBL, in 13 to 14 years we will able to this technology is accepted all over the world, and it is across the world. Thank you.